Think ChatGPT is powerful now? These 10 free tools make it 10x smarter, faster, and more useful, and you've probably never heard of half of them. If you're a tech creator or productivity nerd, this is your AI upgrade kit. Let's count down the top free ChatGPT power-ups you need in your workflow. Tool hash 1, WebChatGPT. It gives ChatGPT real-time access to the internet. Now it can fetch live data, news, and current events, no more outdated info. Tool hash 2, AIPRM. A free Chrome extension that adds thousands of one-click prompt templates. From SEO to coding, it's like ChatGPT with a plugin store built in. Tool hash 3, PromptHero. A giant library of top-performing prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and more. Great for inspiration or quick results in any niche. Tool number 4, File Uploader Extended. Drop in PDFs, CSVs, and other files, then ask ChatGPT questions about them. Super useful for analyzing documents or spreadsheets. Tool number 5, Talk to ChatGPT. Converts ChatGPT into a voice assistant right in your browser. It feels like talking to Jarvis. Try it out. Tool number 6, Notion AI, free tier. Combine ChatGPT with Notion for AI-powered writing, notes, and task planning. It's your second brain on steroids. Tool number 7, FlowGPT. A community where people share and rate advanced prompts. Great for discovering new creative and coding workflows. Tool number 8, Zapier plus ChatGPT. Set up automations like, when I get an email, summarize it with ChatGPT and send it to Notion. Zero code, just AI flow. Tool number 9, ChatGPT Writer for Gmail. Reply to emails automatically using ChatGPT. Saves time, sounds professional, and works right in your inbox. Tool number 10, InVideo AI. Yep, the tool making this video. Feed it your script and it creates a full AI-generated video with visuals, voiceover, and edits in minutes. These free tools can turn ChatGPT from helpful into unstoppable. Like, share and subscribe for more AI tools and tech shortcuts. And drop a comment if you want me to test any of these tools live.